Okay, you guys know we found a scorpion in our house? Well, it turns out we're not the only ones. This one is tiny. Why don't you play with me? You wanna play? Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, he's got me!
Well, everybody, we're here in the hotel room. Colonel, does it remind you of anything?
I do.
We lived in a hotel for a month.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Smaller than this.
It was smaller than this. And we had basically in front of us, like, our bed. We had to pause. Maverick got a little hurt, but he's okay. He's all better.
He smashed his finger in the door.
Yeah, and then Colonel kind of scared him. But, yeah, so it was like our TV, our dresser, the fridge, the stove, and a bathroom. And there was no couch. There was like a little rocking chair.
Slept in the bathroom for a month.
Yeah, he slept some interesting places, but he was like 5 months old, and so he couldn't crawl. He could barely sit up. But we only had one car. I mean, we still only have one car. But we only had one car, so Crandall would leave to work. And me and Maverick would stay in this hotel. And it was one of those, like, long-term stay hotels. So, like, it didn't have, like, a pool. It had a gym, but it was, like, in the middle of COVID, so the gym was closed. So anytime we stay in a hotel, we reminisce about the time in our life where we lived in a hotel. It was one of the worst decisions we've made.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're at a new place today. And Maverick did not sleep good in the hotel.
I filmed this morning at breakfast.
Oh, did you? Okay, well, we'll play that clip now.
Well, it was half as successful. Maverick woke up at 4:15 and did not want to go back to sleep. So at 6:30, I took him here to eat breakfast, where he had a few bites of his eggs, some sausage, some biscuits, and now he's having cereal and juice. I had a pretty rough night. Just these babies are getting big, really big, and they're starting to hurt. So, Blue, yeah, that's Blue cereal. But they have a pretty good breakfast here. Of course, he wanted that. It was between that and Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
So as you can see, he woke up at 4:30 this morning and would not go back to sleep. So
we tried everything except for letting him watch TV.
Which we should have just done that.
Because now we're both so tired.
Oh well. So it was the worst night's sleep ever, but that's okay. You live and learn, I guess. What do you think, Maverick? And look, he's like so tired right now. But Marcy and Maverick just dropped me off. I'll go show you guys what we're going to be doing today. But what are you guys going to do?
I hope Maverick will take a nap.
Yeah, both of you?
Yeah. So, other than that, we might go to Walmart. There is an Amish cheese house, so we might drive to the Amish cheese house. But
that would be pretty cool.
I'm a little pregnant to take Maverick anywhere to, like, go explore. Like, it just...
Yeah, true.
It's just easier to... And he, like, because he's been getting over being sick, it's not really like he can go outside and play.
Yeah.
And it's cold. Like, it's 45 degrees right now.
Yeah.
Are you going to tell him where we are?
So like I said, we're at a special new place today. We're actually here with Sean from Keeping It Dutch. We're super, super excited to be here.
Well, hey, we're excited to have you here.
Hey, we're going to get a lot of work done. So we're actually working on getting their 2 showers set up, right? So have you done these before?
No, I've never done the pan before. That's why I was like, man, I need some help with this.
So we're going to get the pans done today, and then you're going to do the tile later.
I've done not a lot of tile, but enough I can get dangerous and do a little bit.
That's good. That's all we need, right?
Yeah.
So let me show you guys real quick what we're working on. Before we jump too far into today's video, I want to let you guys know that we are going to be doing
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're gonna like this.
You're gonna like
Y'all
this.
gonna like this.
We're gonna be doing a giveaway. We're actually gonna be giving away $300 gift cards. I know it's the holiday season coming up, and Dutch has partnered with us on it.
Yep.
To do a $300 giveaway for you guys. All you got to do is go down, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and leave a comment. And then we're gonna pick 3 subscribers to send $100 gift cards to.
That's awesome.
It's gonna be awesome. I mean,
Hey, it's almost Thanksgiving,
Christmas, traveling, gifts. You know, there's so much, and so we want to give a little bit back to you guys.
I don't know if I can win or not.
Yeah. You want to enter?
Hey, I'll go subscribe and
That's
watch
right.
and all that.
This is shower number 1 that we're working on. Basically, what we got to do is get the drain put in first. Once the drain's put in, then we'll do pre-slope, your shower pan liner, and then the final slope. So there's kind of 3 steps. Thankfully, we bought quick drying mortar. Otherwise, this would take 3 days.
Oh my gosh.
That's one of the things after you do a bunch of these, you realize it's
learn.
so much faster to just
Yeah.
use the quick stuff. So we're gonna use the quick dry cement. Hopefully we don't mess it up too bad. I've only had to rip out like 2 showers after I've done them, but we're gonna give it a try, make sure we do it right. I think let's go ahead and get started on the plumbing.
Heck yeah.
Okay, so I have gotten the plumbing in this bathroom. So we're fixing to just fill this full of concrete, not the plumbing hole, but around it. And then we're gonna put the blocking, that's what Sean's working on now, is cutting the blocking for around the bottom.
You're spilling half of it.
Brandy says he needs a little bit of a workout.
Yeah.
You know, holiday seasons,
Well,
Thanksgiving.
these weigh 300 pounds apiece, don't they? Like making cake batter.
That's right. Some really good brownies. Pour it in there. Try not to dump it down the drain. You know. Try and get it around. If you get it on the sides or whatever, it's not a big deal. We'll probably need the rest of that bag.
That's what I was trying to tell you, but you just wouldn't listen.
I know, man. You just got to beat it into me sometimes.
Uh-huh.
Let me show you guys where we're at. We're making some progress here. This one is all ready for the slope of concrete. The pre-slope is what we're going to call it. And this one over here is pretty much ready for about the same. There it is. This one's still full of crap. Got to get Sean over here to come clean this stuff out. But no, we're pretty close on this as well. So we're going to go ahead and pre-slope both of these right now. And we'll be golden. The preliminary pre-slope is done in this one. So we're going to run over to the other one. Dutch is cleaning it up now. And I'll get over there and do the same thing on that side. So now that we got the first layer down, now we're on to the second layer. This is basically a PVC layer, rubber membrane. So we lay that on there just in case it leaks. This will catch all of the water and run it to the drain. So that's why we did that pre-slope. So now when water hits this, it runs a direction instead of if we left it flat and it would just pool and you'd have issues. So that's what this is for. Here comes the mud. It's my kind of artwork here. It's got to be perfect. I ought to be letting you do this. That way if it does leak, then it doesn't.
It's all on me then, huh? Yeah, if you could just give that a slight slope down to the drain and we'll be good to go.
We'll be golden. And we might even have enough for the other side.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
Or the other one. That's the problem. You guys think I live far from the, not auto parts store, from the
Lowe's,
hardware store,
yeah.
Lowe's? They have a 3-hour drive. Ours is
It's
an
a
hour.
3-hour round trip. Yeah, round trip. It turns into a whole day almost. It's crazy.
Just like that. This shower is completely done. It's still got to dry, but we've got the shower pan. We've got all that stuff taken care of. So I'm super excited with how it turned out. We may or may not have enough to finish this other shower. Let me show you guys real quick. It's hard when we ended up having to use 2 bags of the concrete, the mortar, for 2 other things for the drains when we put the drains in, because the other concrete we got wasn't fast drying, and so we had to use the fast drying stuff so that we could actually get this done today. But you can see we're almost there on this one. We're gonna put the liner in it and then do the same shower pan, and then we'll be golden and we'll be done. So pretty quick work, I would say. 2 of these in one afternoon, actually pretty much one whole day, but pretty excited with how it's turned out. And it is a beautiful day out here. So nice. The weather is like, I don't know, probably 50, 60 degrees, just perfect weather. You guys can see the leaves on the trees, just beautiful day to be working. I think we're gonna go pick up Marcy and Maverick and go to dinner, and then we'll be back over here to finish. So now we're back at it, and it's dark outside, and we're gonna get this last shower finished up. We're getting really close. I think we're gonna have just barely enough cement to do it.
I can't see.
Oh, blocking the light. So hopefully we do. If not, well, sorry, Dutch, you're gonna have to do it yourself.
I'll have to YouTube it.
Yeah, you'll have to YouTube it. So Dutch will be going back and watching the first part of this video to see how he did it. Okay, y'all, we ran out. We tried, we gave it our hardest.
Well, you heard that. I only do half projects around here, so you want to leave one half for me to finish.
Yeah, exactly. I can't make it too easy on him.
Exactly.
So we got to give Brandy something to nag him about. So, no, we ran out. We're 1 bag short. We got really dang close. Mm-hmm. This close. But we ran out.
And the closest place is over an hour away to get this stuff. So.
Which basically means it's 3
hours. Exactly.
So it's like, what, 8 o'clock at night or something?
Yeah, it'll be close.
Yeah, there's no way. So I'm going to leave this to Sean to do. And that way, if the shower leaks too, it's also his fault, not mine.
What about the other one?
Because
You did the other one by yourself, pretty much.
Yeah, I mean, you know, my supervision.
Yeah.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. We loved coming up here and helping out Sean from Keeping It Dutch. I'm going to leave a link to their channel in the description below. As well as if you guys want to enter to win the giveaway that we're doing, go down, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment.
Say Dutch is awesome.
Yeah, say
Anything
Dutch is
like
awesome. anything to build him up, that'll get you entered to win. No, just leave a comment, hit subscribe, and we'll go through and we're going to draw a winner next week. And we'll let you guys know, obviously, the winners for that. So.
Yeah, and they gotta subscribe to Keeping It Dutch, because if they don't, I'm gonna cross verify this.
That's right. You gotta be subscribed to both channels to be entered.
Oh, that's funny.
So, hope you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you guys on the next one.
See ya.
Okay, you guys know we found a scorpion in our house? Well, it turns out we're not the only ones. This one is tiny. Look at that thing. Have you ever been stung?
No, but they say it's like a wasp.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah, put it on your finger. You're gonna see this.
Look at that thing.
He is a little bitty, huh?
He's tiny. Yeah, the one we had at our house was like twice that big.
That's a smaller one. He'll go in the wall. Oh, oops, I think I just killed
There
him.
you go.
Oh, he tortured the little thing. Guy just wanted some food. Yeah, we've killed in probably the last month at least 6 in here.
Really?
At least, yeah.
I think it's the colder weather.
It is, and we leave the door open a lot because the construction and getting the airflow in here, and we're just in and out all the time. That's literally where we think they're sneaking through, is just the front door. Because I've caught one coming in the front door and this side door over here.
Well, let me know if they keep coming, because we keep our doors shut, and
They're still getting in.
they keep getting in.
I'm sure they'll find a way in. We even sprayed. Hey, we even had it sprayed for scorpions.
Really?
Yeah. And I found one dead one, but the other ones I killed.
Dang.
Mm-hmm.
Well, is that a good Dutch eats?
Yeah, we're going to put that on a stick, and we're going to grill it up.
We'll save that for next time.
We'll dip it in chocolate.
Yeah.